This is a video on how hobby servos work. Here's a servo where the brown wire is the ground, the red wire is the power, and the orange wire is the command line. And I have the command line hooked up to pin 26 as shown in my design-wide resources. And here in the top design is the PWM block, where the control is the PWM line and the clock determines the duty cycle. And by changing the frequency, you change the position of the servo. And you can also change the position by changing the compare value, which is shown in this code. I define two integers, x and y, and as long as x is less than y, the while loop runs and the PWM block starts the function where it will write a compare value to the PWM block based on the x value, and the x value is the position for the servo, and so it constantly changes because x is increasing, and as soon as x is equal to y, then x is reset to 0 and the loop starts again. And when x goes back to 0, the servo goes back to its original position. And an example will be shown right now. It's currently at 42 and it moves about 210 degrees. And there it is resetting back to 0, which is its original position. And the lower this y value for the final compare value, the smaller the deflection change of the servo. So writing the code now to the PSOC. Connecting it back to ground. And now this is at y is equal to 15, and this has a lot less deflection in terms of degrees. I remove the power, and if I choose a value larger than 140, then the servo will move and stall and stop. The servo motor is trying to go to that position, but there is like mechanical blocks or a block in the mechanical system that doesn't allow it to move past that point. And that concludes how hobby servos work.